The piece I will be reading is a translation of Alejandro Abadilla's poem, Ako Ang Daigdig, into Ilocano. Ilocano, the language spoken mainly by the Ilocano people, including the ancestors of Juan and Antonio Luna, Diego and Gabriela Silang, Leona Florentino, her son Isabel de los Reyes, Gregorio Aglipay, writers Manuel Arguilla, Carlos Bulosan, F. Sunil Jose, and many Filipinos around the globe. Siak Tilubong. Siak Tilubong. Siak Tidaniw. Siak Tilubong Tidaniw. Tilubong. Siak. Tiawan sarday asyak. Tiawan panakatay asyak. Tidaniw Tilubong. Siak Tilubong Tidaniw. Siak Tidaniw Tilubong. Siak tinawaya asyak. Napud